Looking to boost your online store's revenue? Let's try WooCommerce Boost Sales. This plugin offers powerful features to boost your WooCommerce store's sales with standout features such as frequently bought together, upsell, cross-sell, discount bar, and more. With frequently bought together, you can display related products that customers might like. Customers can easily add them to their cart along with the main product, making it simple to boost your sales. With upsell, when customers click Add to Cart, a pop-up confirms their selection and suggests products they might like, encouraging them to shop more. With cross-sell, show a product bundle offer on the single product page at a discounted price. When customers click Add to Cart, the entire bundle is added, making it a great deal for them. And grab attention instantly with the discount bar. Display enticing offers as a bar, encouraging customers to add more to their cart for extra savings. And many more features waiting for you to explore. Try WooCommerce Boost Sales today and unlock your store's full potential. Your success story starts here.